do this.
It's not coming.
You can do this.
It's not coming. Nah. Oh, hey.
You might try harder.
Oh, no, it's not coming, eh? It's not coming.
I'm gonna push again. Push one more time, oh.
Hey! Oh, no, it's not coming. It's not coming.
Come back, hold her. Hold her head. Please don't stress this one.
How? Hey, Hugo! He's not coming. Nah.
Look, I'm coming.
He's not coming.
Okay.
He's not coming.
Just hold on.
Hugo.
I'm here, Oma. I'm here.
Hey! He's not coming. He's not coming.
Amazing, this should not happen to me again.
Lisa, calm down. Just sit down. The gods will not let this happen.
Just say calm down, sit down for this.
Lisa, please sit down. Please sit down. Sit down, my friend. Can you behave like a man?
I cannot hear any noise in there.
Olisa, all is well. Just calm down.
Hold my hands and push once. And then come now, okay? He's coming. Can you cause me pain? Can you cause me pain?
Gods of our land, we thank you. We thank you for all you've done.
The gods of our land.
Told you.
The gods of our land, I thank you.
I told you. I told you that the gods would do it for you.
Hey, the gods.
Thank you.
The gods of our land.
Thank you.
I thank you.
Not again. Not again. What happened?
No. How is my wife and the child?
Your wife is fine. Your child suddenly stopped crying.
It goes for you.
Ugomma, please stay back and take care of Oma. I'll wait for you at home.
To think that you are no Obanje. You keep bringing children who keep dying into my house.
Oh, Lisa, that's not fair. You should console your wife first.
If you are an evil child, do not come back to me again. Enough of this coming and going. Enough of this burial in my house.
Oma, you need this hot water. You need to drink it.
No. That was the 5th child, Ugo. She joined the others the same way.
They were not meant to stay. And you have to put them behind you if you want to be happy.
Happy? Can I ever be happy in this lifetime, Ugo? Certainly not. Perhaps in the next lifetime, happiness will come close to me. My heart is heavy, Ugo. I'm so pained, my sister. I feel pains all over. My breast is heavy with milk that no child can have. I'm pained, Ugo.
Oh, I know, Oma.
Greetings, Nne. Greetings, Oma. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. You look better. May the gods be praised. Yes, my daughter.
Nne,
My daughter.
I hope you're not angry with me.
Angry with you? Why?
I haven't come to say thank you for the herbs you sent to me a night before delivery.
The help I sent to you a night before your delivery.
Yes.
I can't remember sending you any helps.
Yes, you did, Nne. You gave Goma herbs to bring for me, just like you usually do when I'm due for delivery.
Oh, the herb? My daughter, you don't need to thank me. You're like a daughter to me.
Very well then. I just want to say thank you. You and Ugoma have been so kind to me from the day I set my foot in this village.
Oma, because you're a good woman. And I keep praying to the gods to put a smile on your beautiful face.
Yes,
And I know one day they will.
Yes,
May the gods bless you.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
I beg to take my leave.
Please greet your husband for me.
I will.
Ugoma, you have soiled your hands with blood.
tell her to go back to her people.
You do not have to do that now. At least let her recover from the death of her child. She's human.
Then how do we get married if she stays with me?
Not to worry. She will live by herself. And then I will come in as your wife and bear you children. Beautiful children.
Seriously, I can't wait for that. Sleep and wake up with you. Seriously, I can't wait to have you sleep and wake up in my house. Cook for me. And I will eat and enjoy it with you. Yes.
I can't wait to do that.
You sure?
I do not know what a witch of a wife told my mother that made her slap me. My mother has never laid hands on me. But she did today. All thanks to your witch.
Come on. Your mother slapped you because of Omar?
Do I have water in my mouth when I said it?
No. I will not let this happen. Omar, you are dead. So, you think you can stay in my house and destroy other people's own, eh?
Husband, what are you talking about?
You're asking me! You're asking me? Wait! Nathan! I said Nathan! Nathan, your hands up. Your hands up! So, you're in my house. And what is going on here? Olisa. Monsieur, why is your wife kneeling down? Monsieur, this is family affair. You have no business on this. Go home.
Olisa, why are you treating this innocent woman so bad?
And who said she's innocent? Do you know what she has done?
Olisa, what could she have done to deserve this? Omar, get up.
If you dare get up from there, I will double your punishment. If you dare me,
Olisa! Omar, I said get up.
Get up, I said. If you get up from there, I will double your punishment. Monsieur,
what's your problem?
Monsieur! So, you are the one teaching my wife how to disrespect me in my house.
Kill her if you want. When you kill her, take her body.
Monsieur, if you're not my friend now, and for you, wait for me. Wait for me. I flogged the living daylight out of her. I flogged the living daylight out of her.
But you shouldn't have. I mean, Her body is still weak.
I do not care. I do not care. She can die for all I care. You know I can do anything for our love. I can do anything for you.
I know that.
I shouldn't have married her. Marrying her was a big mistake of my life.
Obin, you shouldn't blame yourself all the time. I love you, and that's what matters. Smile for me. Smile.
And you know I love you too. I can do anything for you. So,
it still hurts.
I'm sorry. But don't worry, when you see her, you will see her own. Listen, if I love you so much, and I can do anything to our love, I can do anything to make you happy. Don't worry.
Great woman. How do we appease the gods for this?
Go home and ask your daughter why she has done this outrageous thing.
The great one, she keeps saying she's sorry.
She is not sorry. She even has worse plan in her head. Go home and talk to her.
Great one, please tell the gods I am not aware of the abomination.
The gods know the truth. Go home.
Tell me the truth. Why did you do what you did with your best friend? I ask you in the name of the gods. Why did you take innocent lives? She stole Olisa from me. She stole Olisa from you. And you had to take it out on innocent children? Is Olisa the only man in this land? No, mother. But Olisa and I have come a long way. It all started when we went to Alola to see the old palmist. The old palmist. Greetings.
We are going to the house of Oyoko, the bread singer.
The palmist?
Yes, the palmist.
She's my grandmother.
Oh, okay. Please, can you take us to our house?
Yes, let's go.
What do you want from me?
Great one. We are from Umuoji. We have come to see if our union will have any obstacle in future.
Your union?
Yes. We want to get married.
Let me see your palms.
What is it? Is everything okay?
I see blood. Blood.
Blood? Whose blood?
Blood of the innocent infants.
What do you mean?
Young man, there should be no union.
Why?
If you get married, untimely death and misfortune will come.
We have been lovers since childhood. Everyone in Umoji knows we love each other.
Young man, I am not yet done talking.
Olisa, let's get out of here. She's too old to see anything good.
Old woman, I can see you can't see beyond your walls.
Do you know who you are talking to?
You blind palmist.
You will bite your tongues one day. If you do not apologize to me, flies and maggots will visit you.
It's you.
Locusts and crickets will feast on your farmland.
It's you who locusts and crickets will feast on.
We shouldn't have gone to her in the first place.
Is it not stupid Emezie that suggested this place? Wait.
What is it?
Did you hear what she said?
What did she say?
That we will bite our tongues.
It is her who will bite her tongue.
And she also said locusts and crickets will feast on my farmland.
Don't tell me you believe her. Pico, let's go home. Let's go home.
You have been warned, and I want to warn you once more, and this will be the last warning. You are not meant for each other.
Ezedibia, how could that be?
Olisa, you have to go to Oloko with a goat and apologize to her, or you will be drowned in the river of calamity.
What can never be us, can never be us. It's all about destiny, destiny. So you see, love is not the problem. It's not the problem. Sometimes.
Oh, Guinea, what is it? Are you scared?
I'm hungry. We shouldn't have gone to see that woman at the first place.
So, you believe what that Dibia said?
Of course. We insulted that old woman. We have to go back and apologize to her.
We? I am not going to apologize to any woman. Be a
For every man, there's a woman. For every woman, there is a man. Show up in your eyes.
What did you say?
I love him. He's the man after my heart. I do not want to see him with another woman.
That is not why you are here. Tell me, why are you here?
I have come to seek if Olisa and I can live as husband and wife.
You already know the answer to that. Or do you want us to twist your fate?
I know you are strong enough to help me.
Take your lover to the stream and make a sacrifice of 2 eggs in a calabash. If the calabash sails, then you can go ahead and marry him. But if he doesn't move, marrying Olisa will be a nightmare.
Obi, I've got good news.
What good news?
I visited a seer, and she said we can go to the stream and make a sacrifice of eggs in a calabash. If it seals, then we can get married.
I don't believe that.
You do not believe that the sacrifice will be accepted, or you do not believe that we can get married?
I do not believe that. I do not believe that such sacrifice will determine our fate.
Very well then. I will have no choice but to accept another's hand in marriage. And please, do not come begging.
Ugo! Ma! Wait, listen to me. I will follow you to the stream for the sacrifice.
Meet me at noon.
Look what you've done to your share. Look what you've done. Look what you've done.
We bring the sacrifice in order to show us if we can live as husband and wife.
Did I not tell you? We have to go and apologize to that old woman.
Please, Seal. Seal, please. is dragging who even? The goat or him? Hi! When he returned from Aloma, he became a different person entirely. I don't know what Oma gave to him, and he began to hate everything about me. Since you got back from Aloma, you haven't checked on me.
There's no need checking on someone who does not care about me.
What are you trying to say? That I do not care about you? Olisa, you look me in the face and say that I do not care about you.
Don't raise your voice at me.
What did you just say?
I said don't raise your voice at me.
Olisa, what have they done to you? What have they done to you, man? Hey, Olisa. Olisa, this is not you. What have they done to my man? This is not you. You now shout at me? Fine. Do you realize that I can walk away and never come back?
I do not care if you run away and never come back. No. Let me think. Why are you selfish? Are you the only one in this clan who is not aware that her son roasted the yam seedlings I planted last moon? Or are you not also aware that one of my barns caught fire mysteriously? Oh, you're not aware that locusts devour everything in my farmland?
So you value your yam seedlings more than the woman you claim you love. Now let me ask you a question. Can all your yam seedlings in your barns amount to my bride price?
You see? You see why I said you're selfish? Is it not your impulse that got me into this calamity? When you insulted the priest first?
You insulted her first.
I did not.
Oh yes, you did.
Ugoma, get out of my house. Get out!
Fine. Fine. It's fine. I will leave. But do not come crawling on your knees, begging.
Get out! Get out!
Goma, are you sick?
Huh? You're welcome.
Thank you. What is it?
I'll be fine.
You'll be fine?
I said I'll be fine.
What is it?
Olisa. Olisa, did you not see me?
Olisa. Hey! Do not touch me.
Olisa! Did he just walk past? Olisa! Olisa! I never knew fire affected one of his barns. And I didn't know that locusts feasted on his farmland.
So when you had it, what did you do?
I was angry.
Well, I was told how you bragged, saying that all his yam seedlings add together cannot amount to your bride price. Why?
I didn't mean to say that. I said that out of anger.
I see. Then you must go and apologize to him.
Must I apologize to him before he forgives me?
That is your problem. Pride. If you really love him, go and apologize to him. I'm going to the farm.
I knew he would come.
Hey! Look, may I say that these people are not cutting this thing well.
Oh. Olisa! Olisa, what has happened to you? I thought he was coming to beg.
Oh yeah, for every man, there's a woman.
I thought he was coming to beg me.
Show up in your eyes. so you can see the truth. On your channel, what can never be. Destiny. It's all about destiny.
You knew he was going to marry her, didn't you?
Should I have stopped him from going to marry whom he chooses to marry? I told you. I advised you to go and apologize to him. But you refused.
Old woman deceived us and gave her daughter to Lisa in marriage. That old woman deceived us and gave her daughter to Lisa. You have to help me. You have to do something.
I can help you, but you will bear the consequences alone.
I am ready to bear any sort of consequence.
Make friends with them, and you can gain access to anything. Use this on anything you want to give to them, and you will win their heart. Every other thing you want will work itself out.
Olisa, you didn't tell me you were getting married.
Do I need to take permission from you before I get married?
Not at all. I hope she makes you happy.
She has been making me happy.
The gods bless your union.
You say?
Olisa, say me well to her.
I will. Does Ugoma mean it? She can be unpredictable. Ugoma could be unpredictable.
remember me?
I do. I remember you. You once came to Aloma with Olise to see my grandmother.
Yes. Yes, you're right. I have come to say welcome and thank you. Welcome to our land and thank you for making Olisa happy.
You are not angry with me?
No, not at all. Why should I be angry with a woman who makes Olisa happy?
You are a good woman.
Thank you. Can we be friends?
Yes, yes, of course we can be friends. Wait here. Let me get you a bacha.
Thank you so much. I'm even hungry. Very well then. Thank you.
Never be us. It's all about destiny. Destiny. So you see, love is not the problem. It's not the problem. Sometimes protection for our senses. What can never.
My husband, you are back early.
Olisa, no. Oma, I'll have to leave now.
Very well then.
What are you doing with Ugoma?
She visited me, and I repaid her visit. She's such a fun, loving, and kind woman. Besides, her mother welcomed me with open arms when she heard I am your wife.
It's okay. Let's go.
Can you search it? Can't you go search it? Sometimes what we want so badly could be meant for somebody else.
Whatever I ask you to do. Your body will belong to her, but your heart and head will belong to me until you are fully mine again.
Greetings, Olisa.
My wife is not at home.
I have not come to see you.
What is this?
I made you your special. Boiled yam with palm oil.
Why are you doing this?
I am doing it to show you that I have forgiven you.
I'll come for the plates.
And tell your beautiful wife that I was here.
Them for long life. Why must I do that, Mother?
Because that is the needful. That is very, very important. Besides, you have to stay completely away from Odessa because he is a married man.
Never! Never, Mother! I love Olisa so much. Olisa is the man after my heart. I will not leave him.
Ugoma, did you hear what I just said? I ask you again, did you hear what I just said?
I will think about it.
Where are you going? We're not done talking. Ugoma, come back here.
Ugoma, you don't look happy. What is it?
My mother got me upset.
Don't worry, very soon you will leave that house for her. Okay?
I wish that soon will be tomorrow. I'm tired. I'm tired of staying in that house.
It's getting closer now. It's getting closer. Just cheer up for me. Huh? Smile for me. You see this catfish? Go home and cook it. Enjoy it the way I will enjoy it, not the way you will enjoy it. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Uh-oh.
Olisa, I forgot to come and thank you.
Nay, you shouldn't thank me because of catfish. I'm planning to bring big one.
I forgot to thank you for flogging your wife.
Somebody could be made for somebody else. Just wisdom and understanding is the way to a better life.
Out! 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 Out of my house! Leave my house! Take your ill-luck to your people. This marriage is over!
Listen. Please. Please.
Do not send me away. I have no one to go to. Let me stay and be your slave.
What did you say?
Let me stay and be your slave.
You said that. I did not force you. Say it again.
I want to be your slave. But let me stay.
Swear by Annie that you will behave like one.
I swear by Annie that I would rather stay as your slave than go back to my people.
Get up! Get up, get up! Pick these things. Pick them! Start from that one.
Obi, that was too harsh. You could have forced her to leave instead of making her swear by Annie.
I'm doing this for us. Ugom, soon we'll be together.
And I will fill your heart with beautiful children.
And I'll be the happiest man in this clan. Okay, I know you make me happy. And I know you be me beautiful children.
Hey! Will your mother not have to know that? What is that? Olisa, what is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what?
Olisa, your wife is busy working and you're seated here, and you're drinking palm wine.
Emezie, why can't you mind your business? Why?
Olisa, I will not keep quiet when I see evil. If you're tired of her, take her back to her people.
Oma!
My lord.
Do you want to go back to your people?
No, my lord.
Huh?
No, my lord.
Say it louder. Do you want to go back to your people?
No, I do not wish to go back to my people.
Emezie, it's time you mind your business.
Olisa, it's not fair. Dromacha, even if you think you're not offending this woman, don't you think you're offending Annie?
Oh my lord.
My lord.
Go there.
Greetings, Ichi.
Oh, Oma, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Ah, greetings, Ichi. Ulisa. How can you allow your wife to carry all this and you walk empty-handed following her? Let me ask you, are you now the woman and your wife the man?
Ichi, let me go and have my bath.
Olisa, it is not fair. Olisa.
Never be us. It's all about destiny, destiny. It's all about destiny. It's all about destiny, destiny.
My food. How can you get food without drinking water?
This for you, go.
Thank you so much. It's big.
Yes, because you're big.
Thank you so much.
Where's your mother?
She went to the forest to get some herbs.
Oh, okay.
My mother made a kiddie. Should I serve you some?
No, I'll eat next time. Please.
It's okay. Where do we meet today?
We will meet today, we'll meet tomorrow. Because we have the age grade meeting today. So I can't make it to see you. Huh? See you tomorrow.
It's okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
You're welcome. It's okay, let me go home and rest. I'm tired.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Can never be us.
Hey.
Can never be us.
Hi. This is a big catch.
Destiny. So you see, love is not the
Greetings, Ichi.
I greet you, Oma.
Greetings.
Greetings, Oma.
Olisa, we have come to talk to you because it is bad for an elder to sit at home while the she-goat delivers in theater.
Olisa, Ichi is correct. We have come as your Kingsmen to do what is right.
And what is the right thing you want to do?
Oh, Olisa. So you cannot even offer us seats?
You should have let me know you were coming, so I could keep seat. Easy.
What is he talking about? Eh? Listen, Olisa. We are here for serious matter.
Oh, at first, you are here to do the right thing. And now, it is a serious matter. Which one will I deal with first?
We are not here to exchange words with you.
Ichi and the Messi, can you go straight and say the right thing and the serious matter? As you can see, we are busy.
Oh, so we are talking rubbish.
Woman, go to the last room.
Yes, my lord.
Easy.
Yes, my lord.
Oma, are you with your senses? Can't you say that Olisa has turned you into a slave?
Ichie, am I complaining? Have I run to your house to complain that Olisa treats me badly?
Woman, go in and get me the last one.
Yes, my lord.
Look, Mom. Iche. Let us go.
Are you done with the right and the serious matter?
Iche, let us go.
What do we call this?
Iche, you have said it all there. She's under a spell.
Then, what do we do?
We have to call the Kingsmen for a meeting.
Emise, you are right. We have to invite him. Let him come and tell us what he has done to his wife.
Ma'am, that is just the idea.
Let us go. Emise, are you sure they'll come? Oh, he's here.
Greetings.
Great your man.
Run, go home. Get me my snuff box.
You see what we are talking about? Iche, we have to start talking about this right away.
Now, Emise, we have to wait for Nollywood to come. Let us wait for Nollywood to come.
Oma, didn't you see me? What is after her?
after you? Who is after you?
Yes, that's very good. Hello. You're welcome. Hello. It's good you are here. Let's go straight to the point.
Olisa, they brought a case to me about you and your wife.
What do you mean?
Do not pretend you don't know what we're talking about, Olisa.
Oh no. Help us ask Olisa what he has done to his wife.
Olisa, they said you used a love charm on your wife, and that has taken away her sense.
My wife loves me unconditionally.
Asiocha.
Greetings.
You see? Oh no. You see what we are talking about? Just look at it.
I am only concerned about one thing. Oma, does your husband treat you badly?
Say it.
I am not invited to this meeting.
Oma, answer him. Does he beat you?
My husband does not leave his hands.
You can go. We are not yet through with her. Oh no, we are not through with her. Let her go. This is no case. The woman in question is not complaining. But you know, you saw what just happened here now, didn't you? Every young couple has a way of expressing their affection. Oh, I quite disagree with you, no. Not this time.
Olisa has to tell us his kingsmen what he has done to his wife.
Yes.
It is an insult for you to tell a man how to live in his house, for as much as he is not committing abomination.
I'm going home. What are we going to do to save this woman? What are we going to do? We have to go and tell her people. Very good. Her people listening.
Sometimes what we want so badly could be made for somebody else. Just wisdom and understanding is the way to a better life.
He has decided to take a new wife.
Would you allow him do that?
Guru, I want him to be happy. If taking a new wife will make him happy, if taking a new wife will give him a child, then I am happy.
Oma, you are a strong woman. The gods will help you.
Yes, sir.
Goma, you're not saying anything.
Why are you looking at me like that, mother?
Which Olisa are you talking about?
How many Olisas do we have in this clan?
Why are you this desperate?
Mother, he thinks I can give him a child.
He thinks you can give him a child. There is something else to this.
Mother, there is nothing else to it than love.
Goma, I see lust in you. I see desperation and betrayal.
Mother, it's enough, Mother, it's enough. Enough. Oma is aware, and she's approved of it.
She is?
Yes. She said she wants to make Olisa happy, and she wouldn't want another woman to share her man but me.
Olisa, I think it's not fair. First, Ugoma is her best friend. And secondly, she has done a lot for you.
Eh? What has she done for me?
Olisa, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten you made her sleep with another man?
Eh? No, remember, she chose to sleep with another man.
Olisa, I disagree with you. You made her sleep with another man all because you were desperate for a child. Yes.
Emezie, what is your problem? Why are you getting angry that I want to get married to another woman and have children like other men? Why?
Olisa, I am angry because you're seeing Ugoma behind Oma. And now you want to betray her. It's not fair.
Emezie, I don't want to get angry. If you have power in this house, go and bring it, let me drink. Or I will start going.
My friend, I do not have palm wine, but I'll keep telling you the truth. It's not fair. It's not just fair.
You don't have palm wine, that's what you said. That means I should go. Let me ask you, what do you know?
What do you want to stand for?
You will suffer until you enter your fall.
Obanje, so you have started again. Oma, we'll go inside. Go.
So she's using me now to learn her Obanje skill. I will deal with you when you come back here. I will deal with you!
Olisa, I just saw her walking like a ghost.
Her Obanje has started again. But I will show her.
Not to worry. Besides, I'm not here for Oma. You know why I'm here. Let's go inside. Come now.
Where are you going to? I called you severally, but you refused to answer me. I'll come back and see you later. Olisa.
Kenessa.
Oma! Oma!
My lord.
I'm going to my in-laws. Make sure that this compound is so clean that when my new wife arrives, she will like this place. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my lord.
Hey, come here. Put this one on my head. Remember to keep this one.
As long as it pleases the gods, it is well.
What can never be us, can never be us. It's all about destiny, destiny. So you see, love is not the problem.
Oma!
It's not the problem.
Oma! We are home.
Sometimes
we are home. Lord, is that how to welcome a new wife?
Goma.
Is that how to welcome a new wife?
Welcome. Welcome.
Take her things inside. You're welcome, my dear. Huh? You're welcome. Are you still standing there? Are you still standing there? It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Please, come on. Sit down. No.
I'm hungry.
Oh, don't worry yourself. She'll prepare something for you. Oma!
Have I not suffered enough?
You chose this, remember? When you're ready to answer your call, happiness will come.
My strength is weak. And my heart is broken.
Who are you talking to?
My chief.
And you don't know my wife needs to eat.
I'm sorry, my lord.
You're sorry and you're still standing.
Oma.
How could you do this to me? How could you?
Oma, you should be happy I came to help you. For 5 years you have failed to give Olisa a child.
You dare to say that to me? Swear that you do not know what happened to my children. Swear that you do not.
Stop it, Oma. Stop it!
You are a very wicked woman.
Are you insane? How dare you shout at my wife?
I am sorry, my lord.
Get out. Get out! Go and prepare something for us to eat. Leave!
Yes, my lord.
Now! My love, I'm sorry. Did she touch you?
She almost did.
Next time, I will teach her a lesson she will never forget in a hurry. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Okay? Come on, smile for me. Come on. Smile for me. Alright. Come, I want to show you something. Yes. You will like it. You will like it. Are we not going to wash our hands?
Where is the water? Rico, be fast!
Give to my new wife.
Hey! Who do we have here? Nick, you met us well. Welcome.
In-law, sit down.
Nick, come and join us.
What is this that I'm seeing? Me, Oma, served you water to wash your hands?
Mother, I am a new wife.
And new wives cannot fetch water for themselves to wash their hands? Ugoma, what have you become?
My in-law, this is nothing. Oma is not complaining.
How can she complain when a tyrant is seated here? Ugoma, I want to see you. Now. Quickly, I want to see you. Are you pregnant already?
No, mother. Why do you ask?
Why would you let your co-wife serve you as if you're a queen?
Mother, she chose to be a slave.
She chose to be a slave in her own house. What has come over you? Few weeks ago, Oma was your best friend. And treated like an outcast in her own house.
Mother, so you came to my husband's house to insult me?
Me, Noma, your mother, came to your house to insult you? I will never, did you hear what I just said? Set my foot into this house again until I see a change.
She chose to be a slave.
Men use their manhood to urinate, but real men use their heads.
Obi, pay no attention to her. Let's eat. So you left without waking me up to know if I've got dirty clothes.
Yourself and Elisa are instructed that I never wake you up again when you're sleeping.
Take. Wash them clean.
Ugoma, have I offended you in any way? Why are you doing this to me? You refuse to help me in the kitchen. You won't help me out at the farm. And now you give me your clothes to wash.
Shut up and wash. Take. I don't want it touching on the ground.
I am a woman like you. What you are doing is not right.
Oma, I did not come to that house to suffer. I came to do what you have not been able to do. To give him children. Have them.
I left 2 heads of carrots in this bag. I can't find it.
We are 3 in this house.
I wanted to use that money to buy more clothes for you. Oma, come here. Where's the money you stole from this bag?
Money?
Yes, money.
I did not see any money.
Oma, I will not ask you this again. Where is the money you stole from this bag?
My lord, I have lived with you for 5 years and over. Not for once have you looked for anything. Not even money.
Are you trying to say that I stole the money?
I'm trying to say I saw you search the bag last night.
Chimo! My husband! Did you hear that? Your witch of a wife just called me a thief! Hey!
Please just tell him where you kept the money.
Oma, are you saying my wife is a thief?
Olisa, Biko. I am going to my mother's house. Oh, hey! Mama, because I came to help you bear children. You now call me a thief. Olisa, I am going back to my mother's house.
Oma, go to the bush and get me a big cane. I will punish you for stealing from me. Move!
My husband, your wife just called me a thief. Oh. She just called me a thief. Mama, did I do anything bad to help you bear children?
It's okay.
So you see, love is not the problem. It's not the problem. Sometimes pride takes over our senses. What can never be us.
She's here to return with the king.
Maybe she's looking for a big one. She will come back, don't worry. Don't worry.
Hi.
Let me massage you.
Hi.
So you can see.
Why do I suffer this way?
You are a stubborn flower. The gods told me to ask you why you chose to suffer.
I did not choose to suffer. It came to me.
No, you chose it. Oyoko warned you earlier.
You know my grandmother?
What did she tell you the day she died? When I join my ancestors, which is soon, you have to make a sacrifice to the Lachi River so that your powers will manifest.
What powers, grandmother?
You have 2 powers, healing power and soothsaying powers.
No, grandmother. I told you, I want to be a dancer and a weaver.
Do not take the path which the gods do not destined for you. It will lead you to adversity. When you get to Ulash, say this 3 times on the river.
Grandmother, where do I keep this?
I don't know. Get me my snuff box.
Okay. Grandmother, the snuff box. Grandmother. Snuff box. Grandmother.
Your snuff. Grandmother.
You have the power to your jaw and pen in your hands. Choose the one you want.
What do I say when I stand before Ulashi River?
Say what is in your mind.
I stand before you with this sacrifice. Accept it. Accept it. Accept it. Open my eyes.
I told you she would live by herself.
Now we can be happy together. I thought you'd come back to your people.
What is she doing here?
Let Annie eat anyone who has eaten from me in secret and in open. Let calamity upon calamity for anyone who has caused me pain.
She just laid a curse on us and you're asking questions.
What can never be us, can never be us. It's all about destiny, destiny. So you see, love is not the problem. It's not the problem.
Ugoma! Ugoma, get up! Get up, you're doing me.
What is it?
Ugoma, you left my compound unkempt and you are sleeping.
So what is it?
Ugoma, don't tell me you have been sleeping since morning.
I'm tired. Did you allow me sleep last night?
You left my compound unkempt and you're here sleeping. Did you even prepare my meal?
If you're hungry, go and roast some yam.
Will you get up from there and go to the kitchen and prepare something for me? You're telling me if I'm hungry I should go to the kitchen and prepare something. Are you high? Get up!
Oh, Molisa!
What can never be us, can never be us. It's all about destiny, destiny. It's all about destiny. It's all about destiny.
Ugoma, we need to talk.
About what?
I'm not seeing any signs on you.
What sign?
Signs of pregnancy, of course.
Do you expect me to get pregnant when you haven't planted any seed in me?
Ugoma, it is more than 9 months you came in here.
Hey! Olisa! Olisa, please, Biko, Biko! Don't even get me started. When your witch of a wife, Oma, was here with you for 5 years, giving birth to children that kept dying, did you question her? Did you question her?
I am not questioning you. I'm only saying you should do something about it. I need a child.
So, what should I do about it? Make myself pregnant?
I didn't say that. I'm only saying you are unserious about it.
Olisa Wokoma. Olisa Wokoma. If you want a child, take me inside and make me pregnant.
What kind of a woman is this? Ugoma! 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 Ugoma, did I not tell you to go to the stream and wash these clothes for me?
I did not hear you say that.
How will you hear me? When all you know is to sleep and sleep and sleep, when all the women have gone to the farm.
Hi. Ulisa, you can't shout. You can't shout.
Ugoma, who are shouting? No, I am shouting. Did you say I am shouting? Ugoma, if you say that again, I will hit your head on this wall. Will you take these clothes and go to the stream and wash them? Ugoma, take these clothes and go to the stream and wash them. Ugoma, are you still standing? All of them, all of them. Pick all of them. Take them, take it. Take it, take it, take it. Go. Nonsense. What kind of nonsense is this? Huh?
I need more of those herbs. He's beginning to come back to his senses. Please, I desperately need it.
You have to be very careful. Do not eat with him, or you will love him more and do whatever he says.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Olisa, henceforth, you will never, ever raise your voice at me again. You will love me unconditionally up until death do us part. Okay. Food is ready. Come and eat. Come.
It tastes like what is prepared by the gods. It's sweet.
Obim, you know I'm a good cook.
That is why I've chosen you.
Thank you. Do you want me to get you some more?
No. This one, I'm okay with this one. Get me water.
Okay.
Water. Hey! I love this food. I love this food. Melissa, my friend.
You have forgotten me.
Oh, I thought we are now enemies because of Oma.
Oh, why would you say that? I met you well.
Anyway, why would you say like that? I met you well. Sit down, wash your hand and join me. You always come around when there is food.
I should wash my hand.
Wash your hand and join me.
Oh yeah. Hey. Olisa, my very good friend. You're enjoying, you know. You're really enjoying.
That is why I have a good wife.
Listen, there's too much salt and pepper in this food.
It is delicious. This is the best meal I've eaten in ages.
I will only eat because I'm hungry. Eat.
Emezi!
Our wife.
This food is sweet, Obi.
This food is delicious. It must be wonderful. I mean, this food.
Will you shut up your mouth and eat this food? Stop talking. Eat it.
I'll be back. Emezi, what is it?
Ugoma, please. Ugoma, wait, please. Ugoma, please, wait. Please.
What is it?
Ugoma, I do not know what you have done to me. But I've been thinking of you since yesterday.
Emezi,
Yes.
do you realize I'm someone's wife? Your best friend's wife.
Yes, I know. But I can't hold myself. Ugoma, I am in love with you. I beg you. Please, I beg you. I can't hold myself. I'm in love with you. Please, I beg you.
beg of you.
What is it? What has come over you, eh?
You, Ugoma. You have come over me. I swear by my G. You have taken over me.
It means I said you should stand up. Stand up! I said you should stand up now!
Please, Ugoma.
I'm sorry. Please, get up. Let me help you over. Get up and eat, please.
Must you sit beside me? Come over here.
Sorry.
You don't want to join me?
No, I'm not hungry. Obi.
Pepe.
Sorry.
Pepe. Sorry. Did you pack the whole Pepe in this clan? It's too much, Pepe. Hey, go. I don't do Pepe, you know that. Hey. Go with some water.
Obi, you know other men don't cook for their wives.
What are you trying to say? That I'm lazy?
No. Sorry. Obi, I'm sorry.
I will leave this food.
Sorry, you are not lazy. Obi, from today you will not enter that kitchen to cook again. I will be cooking for you alone. I don't want you to stress yourself again. You will not enter.
Get me water. Get me some water.
Don't worry.
Get me some water.
Tomorrow I will make offense.
Get me some water. Get me some water.
Sorry, water.
Ugoma. Yes, boy, Oma.
Hey. Oh yeah, I have come. Ugoma, why, Oma?
I brought all this for you, just to show you my love for you. And this one is Azobo. I dried it myself. Hope you like it.
Hey, I miss you. You don't have to come with all this just to show your love for me.
Love? What's love? What is going on here?
Is it a bad thing for your friend to bring gifts for me?
Obim, it is not a bad thing. But I heard him say love.
Since when has love become a bad thing?
It is not a bad thing. But you're my wife.
Nobody's disputing that. Emezi, thank you so much. You can go now.
Ugoma, you see, if you need anything at all, let me know. I will provide them for you.
I will do that.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Ogoma, you are such a beautiful woman. I have never seen a woman in this clan whose beauty equals yours. Mancha, I have not seen.
Emezi, I hear that a lot. Thank you so much. Like I said earlier, you can go.
Emezi, you can go. You can go. Emezi, get out of my house. Get out.
Walk him. In a wicked walk. It's not good for you. But meanwhile, Chalo. See, I rather stay behind. In case you need anything. I'm not doing anything at my hut. I'll just run out, get it for you. Anything.
Monsieur, leave. Leave my house! Get out!
Should I go?
You can go if you like.
I like rum. I want to stay. I like rum. Let me stay. I like staying close to you. To go any message.
Monsieur! Leave my house. Now get out of my house! Leave! Leave!
Oh, Lisa, what is wrong with you?
Okay, nothing is wrong with me.
So why are you disturbing him? Emezi, welcome. You can go and come back later.
In that case, I will go. And I will come back in the night.
Not a problem. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. This house will open.
Emesia!
Just for you. In case you need anything, send somebody to come and call.
Why, Oma?
I know, go.
Why, Oma?
Why are you still standing there?
Okay.
Okay, pack these things to the back of the hut.
Huh?
Nyem, give me. And when you're done, come and take this your poison. You went to bring the whole pepper in this clan. This is trouble. I have to do something fast.
Emezi is in love with my wife. No, this is not happening. No! It cannot happen. It's not happening.
What do you seek from me?
Oko, my husband's friend eats the food I put the love charm with my husband. And he's been following me round the village, prophesying love.
Did I not warn you not to let anyone eat with him?
No, you didn't.
I did. Well, there's nothing I can do. You have to wait until the charm expires.
So he will keep embarrassing me in the village?
If he wants love, then give him love. If you deny him such, then you will be the one madly in love with him.
What if he wants to take me in?
That is the reward of love. Like I said, if you deny him such, you will be the one madly in love with him.
No! No, no, Oku, no! There must be a way to deal with this. There must be an antidote.
There is no antidote for him until the charm expires.
What are you doing here?
See, I came so we can lavish our love together. Now the coast is clear. Now that there's no one at home. Yes.
Please, go home. I don't want you to get me into trouble.
Trouble? No. I can't get you into trouble. It's not possible.
And what if I get you into trouble?
I don't care. I don't mind. I don't mind. What matters is to be with you.
Mokem, go home. What are you doing in my husband's chamber?
I can't control it anymore. I can't hold myself anymore. The pacing in between my legs. He's moving from left to right.
Then you have to stop thinking about me, or you get yourself a wife.
It's you that I want. So you can help me quench this fire in between my legs.
It is an abomination. And you know that.
Nobody will know.
The gods will know.
Let the gods punish me instead.
Hey! Okay, fine. Wait. Easy. Why don't we do this in your hut?
Mama. Next time, let's just do this one here. Just, the fire is burning.
It's okay. Go and shut the door.
It's just...
Emeze, you want to...
It's just a rope. Please. Wait. Please, oh. Please.
You want to rape my wife?
Please. Hey! What? What have you done?
Is it dead?
What have you done?
You kidding?
You're just lucky. This is the nature of what I will do to you.
Saying anything. Tell us what happened to Emezia.
What do you want me to tell you? Do you want me to accept that I killed Emezia? I do not know what happened to him.
Ulisa, you are lying. Because Emezia told me he was going to your house.
He did not come to my house.
You killed Emezia?
I didn't.
You did!
I didn't!
Sit down. Ichie. Ulisa, tell us the truth so that we can know how to appease the gods. If you are responsible, we will not kill you. You will only go into exile.
How will I go to exile for a crime I did not commit?
It's all right. It's all right, Ulisa. Can you now stand before Ekuro and swear that you did not kill Emezia?
I did not kill Emezia. I did not kill Emezia. It's here.
Ulisa, go home and set your heart and come back to us in the evening and tell us the truth. If you do not tell us the truth, then you will have to swear by the code.
Oh no. He will swear today. He must swear today.
What has Ugoma put me into? How do I escape this? I am finished!
How did it go?
I will swear before a guru that I do not have hand in his death.
Is that why you were scared? Come to think of it, you do not have a hand in his death.
But I saw you hit that thing on his head.
Ulisa, be a man! The oath will not harm you because you did not kill him. I did.
I am ready to swear before you go.
Holy sir, your voice is shaking. Why not open up to us so that we can make this necessary sacrifice and send you to exile? We do not want to lose two young men in few days.
Oh no.
Oh no, why are you sounding as if you are appealing to this boy? Why? Olise here told us he is ready to swear. Why are you begging him? Why?
Olise, for the last time, do you know what happened to Emezia?
I do not know what happened to him.
Are you ready to swear?
I am ready.
Let's go. Oh no, let's go. Olise, move.
You should have brought him here before letting him go to swear.
Is he going to die?
Why ask when you know the answer?
Okay, you have to help me. You have to help me, please. I don't want him to die, please. You know how much I love him. I don't want him to die. He's the man after my heart. Please.
I will give you something.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
That is why we are here.
Yes.
Olisa, are you ready to swear?
If I was not ready, I wouldn't come here.
Take the offer and speak after me.
Yeah. Take the offer. Take the offer. Yeah. The other side. Hold this other side. And handle it properly.
Say after me. Ekuru, if I know what happened to Emezia, let me die before nightfall.
Are you deaf? Didn't you hear what he said?
Ekuru, if I know what killed Emezia, let me die before nightfall.
Touch it on your forehead.
This is done. No.
Can I go now?
Have you taken the oath?
I'm waiting for my fate.
Not to worry. I have the antidote.
You do?
Yes, I do.
So you knew I was going to die then?
What is wrong with you? Is this how you're going to appreciate my efforts?
Ukoma, wait. Ukoma.
I am now fulfilled. Oh. Yes, I am fulfilled.
But Ike, do you think Olisa is guilty?
Oh, sure. He is. Listen, I went to see a strong medicine man who told me how it all happened.
Really?
Yes.
So why didn't you say so? We could have stopped him from swearing.
Why should I? Listen, he will only go for 7 years exile and come back. But let me ask you, will that bring Emezia back?
No. The gods would have punished him at the right time. Anyway.
The right time is now. Let us go home and wait for the results.
Make it.
What Look what you've done to your share. Look what you've done. Look what you've done.
Ulisa, take this charm and save your life. Take it and save your life. You are running out of time. Pikono.
How sure am I this would work?
Ulisa, it will work. It will work. Take. It will work.
Iche, the oath did not kill him.
It will still kill him.
It was supposed to kill him last night.
Did you hear that?
That sounds like Ugoma's voice. What do we do?
What else, if not to call some outcast to throw his body into the evil forest?
Ulisa, how could you be this stupid? How could you?
Nze, let us go home.
I blame you for this.
No! Do not blame me. Do not!
It is your fault.
It is not.
It is all your fault.
Let us go. It is not my fault. Nze, it is not my fault.
You have everything to stop it as you do.
Why should I? Why should I? Why should I do that? So, Ono, when we got to his house, we saw Ulisa lying dead, with his body decayed. Huh?
Hey!
No, why are you shouting?
Hey!
Why?
It is he who takes in ant-infested firewood into his house that invites the lizard. Why will Ulisa allow this to happen to him? Why? Why will he take the oath when he knew he was guilty? Hey, Ulisa. We have to see this more immediately.
Oh, there is no need. There is no need.
What do we do with his body?
I instructed Nze to go and get some outcasts, so they will throw his body into the evil forest.
Hi. Ulisa. Ulisa. Ezemo, what are you trying to say?
Ugoma must not go unpunished.
Bam! Onyanwa. Ogula.
Ugoma, we invited you here to inform you that you have to go back to your mother's house tomorrow at sunset.
Yes, we have to tie palm front around our house.
Hey! Ndidim, my husband. Can you at least allow me to finish mourning my husband? Please.
Ugoma, you have to go back to your mother. That is our tradition. If you continue living in that house, some vile spirit will hurt you. Oh no, listen, we cannot let that die down. Going home to our mother's place is not enough. She must tell us the truth.
Yes. Yes. She must tell us what happened to Nizia.
Yes.
But first, she must go back to her mother's house as Ezemo instructed. But she must also swear before Ekede.
That is it. That is it.
Chike, iruke yara weki, onyan chike, iruke yara weki.
Mother, how could you be this heartless? I lost my husband and you didn't even bother to come. And now that I am here, you've been acting as if I do not exist. Mother, Itsugo, your daughter. His people want me to swear that I do not know what happened to Emezie.
Why are you scared of swearing? I thought you were a strong woman. Go and swear. And if you die, I will bury you and forget everything about you. Atoma.
Mother, I'm sorry. Please. Mother, please forgive me. Name, please forgive me.
Ogoma, get up. I'm forgiving you.
Oh no, we will not sit here waiting for Nze to come.
Let us start. Ugoma, I want to ask you this again. Do you have anything to tell us about the death of Emezia?
I want to mourn my husband in peace.
Hey! Ugoma, listen. If there's anyone to mourn Olisa, it should be me. His close relative, not you. Not you.
Let's proceed, Jacob.
Ugoma, can you tell us what happened to Emezia?
I will not say anything until I'm done mourning my husband.
As long as you have come here, you must either swear or tell us what happened to him.
Hey! Ndiche, my husband! You know how much Olisa and I loved each other.
Ugoma, we have not come here to know how you and Olisa love each other. Do what the Digger said.
Why are we even arguing with Ugoma? Look, Ugoma, you have to swear. We don't have that time. We don't have that time. Just swear.
Ugoma, take the offer and speak after me.
I will not do it.
If you don't take the offer, you will die right here. Take the offer. Now. Say after me, Ekuro, if I know anything about the death of Emezia,
Ekuro, if I know anything about the death of Emezia,
punish me severely until I die.
Punish me severely until I
hit your phone 3 times on your forehead. Drop your phone.
C'est ma foi.
Please come with some herbs, please. What happened?
Woman, you should have told them the truth. Look at what you're doing to yourself. You have to save me. I should save you.
Please.
That is the price of wickedness. Look at. Please, you have to save me. Please. You better go and confess to them so that they will save you. Because for me, I will do nothing for you. Wicked girl.
Please save me. Ne, please save me, Ne, please. Ne, please. Please.
Chuma! What is the problem? Why are you bleeding?
My enemies, they have succeeded in ruining my life.
When did this start?
I woke up this morning to this.
So please, I've gotten this terrible since I left.
Very terrible. Chuma, I need help. I need help, please.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. I know of a strong healer from my maternal home. Once she lays hands on you, you'll be fine. Yes.
Please help me.
I'm coming. Just wait. Hold yourself.
Let's go, let's go.
Just hold yourself. Let me drop my bag. Just wait for me. I'll be back.
Who is here? Who is here? Who is here? I know this place. I've been here before.
Who do we have here?
Mama, I brought my friend.
What are you doing here?
Mama!
Do you know her?
Yes. I know this woman. She was my friend who betrayed me, turned me into a slave in my own husband's house. I know her.
I'm sorry. I did all that out of jealousy. I'm sorry. Oma, I'm sorry. I am sorry, Oma. I did all that out of jealousy. Please forgive me.
Forgive you? Really? Where do I start from? From my 5 children that you took from me? Or from my husband that you stole from me?
me, Oma, please. Go home. Please, Oma. I want to leave.
Okay. I will take you to another DBA. Stand up, let's go.
I don't want to die. I want to.
You will not die. Stand up, please. Let's go.
Shoma. Leave us.
What happened to you?
I woke up to this. Please, someone forgive me.
I forgave you a long time ago. I left that fight for the gods to fight. I will heal you.
Oh, you were such a kind woman. You were so...
How is Olisa?
Olisa is dead.
What killed him?
He was bitten by a snake.
You're not lying to me, are you?
No. No, I'm not lying.
Do you want to be healed completely?
Yes. Yes, please. Yes.
Then you must go to Ulachi River and fetch a pot of water for me to bath you with. You must not go with anyone. And you must leave now. Take this warning. The pot of water must not touch the ground. Ugoma, the pot of water must not touch the ground. Go now.
Have I not warned you not to bring your unclean body here? Do you want to die?
No, wise woman, no. I am dying. Help me, please.
No. I cannot help you. You are cursed by the gods and Annie. Get out of this place now.
Please, what do you want to say?
Please, get out of this place. Now. Go! Go!
Ugomma.
Where are you coming from?
Where are you coming from?
Why did you not come back yesterday?
I couldn't fetch water from Olashi River.
Why?
An old woman stopped me from fetching water.
An old woman?
Yes.
There is no old woman at Olashi River. It's your imagination playing pranks on you.
No, I saw her.
I said there is no old woman at Olashi River. When you go there tomorrow, do not pay heed to whatever she says. Just fetch the water and leave. All right.
I'm sorry, Mother. I'm sorry.
Where could she be? What do we call this? Up to this moment, she's nowhere to be found.
gods of our land, I want you to protect my daughter. And wherever she is, bring her home safely.
Why can't you take me? Why? I am ready to die. I am ready to die. I am ready to die. I want to die. I want to die. I want to die.
You cursed child. Have I not warned you not to step your feet in the river? Do you want to die?
Old woman, please. I'm sorry, but I have to fetch this water. If I don't fetch this water, I'll be cursed all my life. Please, let me go with this one, please.
Then go and never come back.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Never you come back. Go.
Thank you.
And never come back.
Thank you.
Do you want the pot to touch the ground?
Sorry, I forgot. I'm confused.
I know. The pot must not touch the ground.
What do I do?
Carry it. Buy 7 heads of black soap tomorrow and bring it here.
I don't want my mother to know about this.
Very well then. You can come here and have your bath tomorrow.
Why do I keep the pot of water?
Carry it on your head.
Oma! I thought you had forgiven me.
I have. If I haven't forgiven you, I will not let you bring your unclean self here.
I've been carrying this water for a long time. It's heavy.
I know. Make sure it does not touch the ground.
I don't want my mother to see this.
You cannot keep the water pot here, woman. Grandma, what is the meaning of this? Grandma, I'm talking to you. What is the meaning of... You know, Zikwaya? Why are you carrying water like this? Bring it. Let me help you. Hey! Yeah. Where did you get that from? Are you carrying it like that? Hey! Why are you mad? Grandma, are you comfortable with that? No, you've lost it. Where are you going with it? Now? Where did you get this water from?
Don't touch this water pot. Please. I beg you, in the name of the gods. Don't touch this water pot.
Where is the water pot?
Left it.
Why did you not bring it?
I actually forgot it. I don't even know what I was thinking.
Go home and bring it. Water pot.
My water pot!
It was thinking too much, so I had to.
You had to? Mother, you had to! Please, you had to do what?
You had to do what? You had to do what? You had to do what? Mother, you had to... Mother, you had to do what?
Gumi, you're shouting.
Mother, you had to do what? My water pot. My water pot. You had to do what? Hey, my water pot. That water pot. You had to do what?
I kept it in the barn for you. I hope you did not touch the ground.
No.
Put it on the stool. Go behind and hold it. Take it home. Go and take a bath in the middle of your mother's farm before sunset. Make sure nobody sees you.
Oma, how is that possible? I'm a woman and I'm not...
No. You are not a woman until you have done this.
Mother's house.
Who is in charge here? Go and do what I have asked, else you leave it. But remember, you will bleed for the rest of your days. The soap.
Is this not madness? Which the way is punishing you like this?
Bleeding. I am no longer bleeding. Listen, I've been healed. 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 Mama, you stink. Go and take your bath. You smell like a dead vulture. Just go. I am doomed. I said go and take your bath. Go there quickly. Mother, I'm done. Ugoma, you even smell worse. Go and put this in your water and bathe with it. Why has this befallen me? Gods of our land, why did you allow this to befall me? Why has this followed me? Thoughts of our life. Why has this followed me?
What is that?
She stinks.
I heard that she's the one that killed her husband.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Maybe that's why the gods have finally decided to punish her.
Do not come any closer.
I am finished. I am finished.
Did you bath with the 7 heads of black soap?
Yes, I did. I did as you instructed. Right in the middle of my mother's farm. No one saw me.
Did the pot touch the ground?
No!
Impossible. Impossible. Something is amiss. Go home and ask your mother. Shh. Go home. Go! Shh.
Did the water pot touch the ground?
What pot?
Did the water pot touch the ground?
Ugoma, can you just calm down and talk to me?
The water pot I left on the water the other day, did you let it touch the ground?
But you never told me it wasn't meant to touch the ground.
Hey. Hey.
What?
Hey.
Did anything happen?
Hey. You have finished me. I pleaded with you. I pleaded with you in the name of the gods not to touch that water pot. I pleaded with you. I pleaded with you. You have pleaded with you not to touch the water pot, but with your own hands you have brought doom upon your daughter. With your own hands you have brought doom upon me.
What happened? Tell me now, what is it? You should have told me. You should have told me that the water pot was not meant to touch the ground. I was only trying to help you.
Help. Help. And this is where your help has landed me.
Let's look for another solution. Oh?
my life and my soul! Take my life and keep my soul!
If you take your life, your spirit will be ruined forever. You will suffer in the passage.
I have given in to suffering. I feel no pain. I want to rest my soul here.
Your suffering has not started. Get out of this place!
Ugomma, what happened to her? Where is she? I can't say, follow me. Hey, run,
Good man, I'm the second good man. Ha! 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 Jiba! Jiba! Why did you allow this to happen to me? I could have lost my daughter like this. Okay.